In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 every single week promoting CPA offers. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can enroll for this course and you can start making passive income every single day with CPA marketing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, and what I'm about to show you in this video, you can replicate in any CPA network of your choice, like the likes of Cpagrip, AdWork Media, or any other content locking CPA network. Okay, so basically what you want to do from here is very simple. Once you log into your account, you want to come over to this offer section right here, and you want to type in iPhone 14 in the search bar right here. So basically once you type that, you are going to see various iPhone 14 offers that are available on the CPA network. As you can see right here, all the people need to do is to submit their email, which basically means they are going to enter for a chance to win this iPhone offer right here. And you can see right here, you are going to get paid $1.41. And this is for people in Italy right here. You can see this is for people in Spain. The least you are going to get paid is $1. You can see other countries right here. So basically, this is a very good offer to promote right now, since a lot of people are talking about iPhone 14 right now. Okay, so what you want to do is very simple. All you want to do from here is to go over to a website called canva.com. So once you come over to canva.com, you want to scroll to this section that says social media. And once you come over here, you want to scroll to a section that says Instagram post right here. So once you click on that, basically what you want to do from here, you want to go over to Google and you want to type in something like iPhone 14 HD images. Okay, so basically you want to download a very good image of iPhone from the search right here. So I'm going to be taking this one here as an example, iPhone 14 Pro Max image right here. So all I just need to do is to download this image right here. So I'm going to save this image. All right, so once you've downloaded any image of your choice, you want to come back to Canva and you want to go over to the upload section. And then you want to upload the image you just downloaded from Google. And then what you want to do from here, you want to basically drag and drop the image right here. Okay, just about something like this. All right, so I'm going to leave it like this. And then you want to come over to this section that says text and you want to drag this heading right here. So as not to prolong this video, I've basically added the text right here and the image, as you can see right here. iPhone 14 Pro 2022 giveaway, steps to win, follow @user on Instagram. So basically this @user is going to be your Instagram username. And the second step they need to do is download and repost this image on their account. And the third thing they need to do is to tag 10 people who would be interested in iPhone 14. And the fourth thing they need to do is to go over to the link in your bio to enter the giveaway. And don't worry, I'm going to be demonstrating and showing everything in this video. So basically the reason why they need to do this is because you want to create a viral effect. And that is the fastest way that you can make a lot of money in one day with CPA marketing. So basically you can copy what I just did right here. All right, and also it's important you leave at the bottom something like this. Note, you must complete all steps we will check. So basically this is just to let people know that if they cheat, they are not going to get anything. So now all you just need to do is click on this share button right here and you want to basically download this image right here. The next thing is to go over to instagram.com to create an Instagram account. So all you just need to do is click on the sign up right here and you want to basically create an Instagram account. So once you create your account, everything is going to look like this. The next step is to go over to the profile section of your account. And what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to upload the image you just downloaded from Google. Okay, so basically if you click on that, you can just basically upload this iPhone 14 image on your profile right here. Okay, so once you've uploaded the image to your profile like this, the next step is to click on this edit profile. So once you click on this edit profile right here, so as you can see, this is your username. So you want to come over to this bio right here and you want to type in something like win a free iPhone 14 Pro right here. Now you want to go back to your CPA network right here. Since I'm taking Ogads as an example, you want to basically go over to the section that says content lockers. All right, so once you go over to the content locker section right here, you want to click on this create content locker right here. And once you do that, you want to basically give your content locker a name. Okay, so I'm just going to type in iPhone 14 right here. And once you do this, all you just need to do is to click on this remove locker right here. Then you want to come over to this mobile specific section right here, since most people on Instagram are on their mobile device. All right, so basically you want to type in something like this right here, win a free iPhone 14 Pro right here. And here you want to basically type in follow all instruction on the offers below to enter this giveaway. Okay, and then you want to come over to this section that says customize right here, and you want to select CPA right here. Okay, because if you do this, it's going to basically show the iPhone offers. All right. Okay, so if I preview the content locker on my mobile phone, all right, so as you can see, this is my mobile phone right here. Trying to go to the link, you can basically see this is the iPhone 14 giveaway offer right here. So basically, once these people click on this offer right here and they complete this offer, I make money. It's that simple. Okay, so basically, once they click on the link, they will be redirected to this page right here. As you can see, win instead of pre-order the brand new iPhone 14 Pro right here. And basically, people just need to select whatever color they want, as you can see, and they want to choose their gender right here, their name, surname, email. And once they click on continue right here, you make money. It's that simple. So basically, the next thing you want to do from here is very simple. All you just need to do is to shorten the content locker link by coming to this website called Kotlin. So you want to paste in your content locker link in this box right here, and you want to click on shorten. So basically, once you click on shorten, all you just need to do is to copy your link and you want to paste it in the bio of your account right here. Since I'm on PC, I won't be able to add the link. So basically, all you just need to do is to add the link right here. Once you've added the link, you want to click on this plus button right here to upload an image to your account. So basically, you want to select this image you made on Canva and you want to upload it to your Instagram account right here. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is click on next. So basically you want to write a short caption like this. So basically here you want to type in your Instagram username right here. So I'm only taking this one here as an example. Okay, and all you just need to do is to add in some tags that are related to iPhone 14 right here. And all you just need to do from here is click on share right here to upload it to your page. As you can see right here, your post has been shared. So as you can see, this is the post right here. So now what you want to do to start getting traffic is very simple. All you just need to do is to type in iPhone right here. All right, so as you can see right here, over 248,000 posts with iPhone 14 hashtag right there. So once you click on that hashtag, you are going to see a lot of posts that has iPhone 14 hashtag on it. So as you can see this one right here, you are going to click on this post here as an example. And all you just need to do to get followers is by basically coming over to the like section right here. You can see this is just 18 hours ago. And these people right here who liked this content are definitely interested in iPhone 14 right here. So all you just need to do is to follow these people right here. So basically you want to follow at least 30 to 100 people every single day. Some of them are going to definitely follow you back. And once they do, they will be able to see the post on your account right here. Okay, and once they see this post, they are also going to see the link in the bio. Like I said, because I'm on PC, I won't be able to add the link in bio, but definitely you will be able to add the link if you are on your mobile device. And once they click on the link on your bio and then complete the iPhone 14 offer, you make money. It's that simple. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.